Do you really think it's a normal behavior?
You don't need to take a bite of everyone.
Sophie, what you doing, girl? Hey, babe. Sophie, what's up?
Jasper.
Come on, Ollie. Come. Come. She's flicking her feet. Are you swimming? Clever girl.
Oh my god, okay, wait. Sit still for a second. Oh my gosh.
Where are you going?
Go get Daddy. Come on. Yes, good boy.
That is our surprise, and be prepared for lots more puppy content. This is what they do all day right now, is they either sleep or they eat.
Minnie, come.
Come, Minnie, come here, girl. Good girl.
Minnie, come.
Sim. Good boy. Good boy. Come here, Cooper. Good boy, Cooper. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy.
This way. No? They're going this way. Wait.
Wow.
Good girl.
We love the kitty. I just don't know if she likes